I've turned the flash on for the back of the case because it's all black on black. You see all my connections there. One reason why I chose this card over some of the other cards I've seen is that it still has a DVI port and an HDMI port, because one of my monitors, I have two monitors, is a DVI monitor and the other is an HDMI monitor. My DVI monitor works perfectly fine. I'm really happy with it still. So I see no reason to go out and buy a new monitor that has a different kind of port on it at all. This down here is the exhaust for the hot air that's going to be coming off this graphics card out the back of the case. The fans you see in the front over here are the fans that draw in, hopefully, cooler air and blow it onto the parts, and then the hot air is exhausted out the back. In this particular case, I have an opening in the bottom, came with it that way, and this fan helps draw in, the way I have it installed,